Morning guys, this is Akshay. Welcome back to another new video, and today we're gonna head to Chikmagalur. So let's start our ride. The rating is around 13,614 kilometers, and this is not gonna be one day trip. This is gonna be 2 day. So guys, I'm not taking a nice road this time. The road will remain same till the Halebidu and Belur. After that, I'll be taking left from Belur, I guess. This is a fun little bit.
So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it.
Well guys, I thought this would not rain actually. I thought it would be very sunny and it will be calm and flat road, but seems like it is showing me some other color this today. Completely raining like anything. Last time it was completely sunny and this time it's completely raining. I wanted this weather, but anyway, not here. I was expecting this thing in Chikmagalur, but anyway, I'm getting it a little bit earlier.
Yeah.
So previously we had taken way to Hasana, but unfortunately we shouldn't have to move there because Google is telling me to go straight, don't take Hasana road. I think this is the nearest according to the Google. Let's follow Google. I don't want to take any chances. I'm already too late now. So now heading towards Chikmagalur, just around 10 kilometers away from Hassan city. The way is around half an hour. Check it out. Now heading to Hirekolale. The speciality of this lake, it is a man-made lake, and people told me it will be very good to spend your evening time at that place. So now it is 3:05. Maybe it will take around an hour. Maybe by 4 o'clock I'll be reaching there, and till 6 or 6:30 I'll be wind up from there. Let's see. Depends on the place. Let's see how the vibes will be. finally arrived here. This is man-made lake actually. This is really very, very beautiful. It's just like all the hills are being surrounded for one water body. This is really, really very nice. Well, I'll try to record some cinematics so you can enjoy it. So guys, I think you people have enjoyed the video till here. So this is gonna be the end of the video, and so I just wanted to add some things here. There's one coffee museum here which is closed during weekends. So if you're planning to go to that coffee museum, you have to make sure that you are in a weekdays. In weekends it's closed. And there's also one more temple, I have to mention it. It's Kodanda Ramaswamy temple. So this Kodanda Ramaswamy temple is also a temple which is from Hoysala dynasty time, which was built during the Hoysala dynasty. So they're planning on visiting this. Please do visit before evening. I visited in the evening after 6 o'clock and there was no one there. So better you visit before 5 o'clock. That is what I wanted to add according to my experiences. So lastly, if you like this video, please share, subscribe, like. If you don't like some content, or if you don't like some part of the video, or if you need me to improve in some areas or most of the areas or whatever it is, please do comment in the comment section and let me improve myself in upcoming videos. Thank you. This is a day 1 of Chikmagalur, signing off. Bye bye.